So here is the fun part. Let's do the role play now, okay? So we are going to ask you guys some of the questions, and this is some of the scenario that we have encountered before. So it's pretty typical.
So in scene 1, we have Marcella talking to her friend Kathy in a park.
I am pregnant. I don't know what to do, and I don't want my employer to know about my pregnancy.
But you will keep the baby, right?
I'm not ready. I can't tell anybody about my pregnancy. Who will take care of the baby? I still need to send money back to my country for my own children at home.
I don't know how to help you, but I heard you can take pills to abort the baby if that's what you want.
Really? Is that safe?
I don't know. I heard there are clinics that can do that for you. I heard they are not that expensive, and it's very easy. Only several thousands. But not many people knows about those clinics though.
I don't want to do anything dangerous or illegal. I am really worried.
Or do you think that you can hide your pregnancy from your employer? And then after you give birth, you probably give out the baby to other people? Like somebody?
Kathy, now I'm really worried with myself, with my pregnancy, with the baby. I don't know what to do.
So sorry, Marcella. I really don't know how to help you. Let's try to find assistance from others. Perhaps consulate or any NGO can help you.
So I would now ask some questions. So it's a very interactive session. So you may try to participate in this session, okay? So what would you do if you were Marcella? She's pregnant. Any?
First, you got to tell the employer. I need to tell to my employer that I'm pregnant.
Yes, correct. That's what the Labor Department said, right? Yeah. And then, what do you think about Kathy's suggestion on taking pills to abort the baby? Yeah. What do you think about Kathy's suggestion on going to easy clinics? So, do you know what is legal in Hong Kong with regard to this situation?
Yes. It's illegal to get a baby. It's legal for abortion. So the employer and ask some help. Medical certificate. Medical certificate sent to the employer to let her know that you're pregnant.
Yes.
So then also we are also protected by the government under the local law.
Yeah, that's right. So do you know, other than continuing her pregnancy and raise her children by herself or by her family, Marcella has an option of legal adoption in Hong Kong? Do you know that?
Yes.
No? You don't think that that's an option? That's an option?
For adoption, the baby?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yes, that we'll find out later.
Okay.
Okay, so do you know it's illegal to conduct self-abortion no matter what the method is?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's legal.
that's for sure. Do you know that legal termination of pregnancy can be conducted at family planning association and in public hospitals in Hong Kong? Legal termination of the pregnancy. Yeah. Yes. Okay. We'll continue with this with scene 2. So, in this scene, Josephine is talking to her employer about the pregnancy.
So now I'm the employer. Oh, nice one. So, well, I don't think you can work while you are pregnant.
about the heavy words later on.
You are coming to Hong Kong to get pregnant? I don't think so. I think you know about this. You only work here for 1 year and it already gives me trouble. You hide this for me and you are dishonest.
Ma'am, I was unsure and want to check with the doctor first. And I was worried with your response. I can still work, ma'am. I can still work.
I don't think you know how difficult it is. What if you get sick or you get weak while you're pregnant? What if you give birth at my home later on? Who will take care of you? The medical bill is very expensive. I don't want to pay and you'll be in trouble if you are not able to pay. I can't let your baby live in my house.
But ma'am, I can't go home. I don't want to go home.
You know what, Josephine? I try to make it easy for us. Can you go home first? I will not terminate your contract and you can come back after you give birth without the baby. I will buy you the air ticket and give you some money. I hope you can appreciate my help. I will give you 3 days to consider it.
Okay. Nice suggestion.
The following day, Josephine decided to call her friend Dorothy to discuss about this matter.
Hi Dorothy, my mom is not helpful at all after I told her about my pregnancy. Now she's not that nice anymore. She seems very unhappy with me. I don't have enough time and don't know what to do. My mom wanted me to consider going back home and return after giving birth.
So what's your plan now?
I can't go home, you know that. I don't have a family back home. I think I don't have choice. I think I want to terminate my contract. Or maybe I try to get employer's offer but no flight home.
But it's not easy to find a new employer if you're pregnant.
I know, but I will still try. And if I can't find employer, I will just offer stay in Hong Kong. Seems it's the only way I have. It's the only choice I have at the moment.
Doesn't sound like a good idea. Do you want to talk to the consulate or NGO before you make a decision?
I want to, but I don't have time to go there. I have to answer my mom within this week.
Why not calling them first and seek their advice? Do you have the contact numbers?
Yes, I have. I will call them. Thanks, Dorothy. Bye-bye.
Please call them now, okay? Bye.
Thanks for your patience. Now is the question session again. So, do you agree that pregnant employees can still work well during pregnancy? Yes. Would you accept the employer's offer if you are Josephine?
No.
Some yes, some no?
No.
Why?
Terminate your contract already. Yes.
Yes, can be.
Yes.
Because her employer offer a nice. She can go back to the Philippines, give birth, don't bring the baby. She can back home.
But sometimes when you contact the employer, contact the visa, right?
With the employer and the employee.
Yeah. Someone says that maybe it's a trick.
And remember, Josephine don't want to go home, doesn't want to go home. Remember that.
Yeah, but it's not nice, you know. You stay here, overstay with your baby.
Yeah, not a good
It's not
idea.
a good idea.
So, yeah, that leads to the second question. Do you think planning to overstay her visa is a good idea for Josephine and her baby?
No.
Not a good idea. So, do you know that it is illegal for the employer to dismiss a pregnant employee and terminate it now? Yep. And do you know that Josephine is entitled to free prenatal checkup and very affordable fees when giving birth in public hospitals when her contract is still effective?
Yes.
Yeah, like the local residents in Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And do you know that Josephine is entitled to paid maternity leave?
Yes.
For 40 weeks. I think, right? So you have to work 40 weeks. Do you think Josephine will have better baby plan if she was informed with her options and given enough time to think about it? Yes, sure. Do you think Josephine's employer may have reacted differently if she understands employer and employees' rights and obligations relating to maternity? Yes. Yeah. So I'll now pass on to Carmen to talk about the answers.